Panama. Very soon.
More banana plants.
We cook with the rice.
Yes.
The butterfly
Yeah, with
house.
the rice, really good. Smell good.
But in Panama, you can eat with banana fries.
With the fish, they put the
Platnos.
grill with the fish is really good, isn't it? But
Last
banana-
night I made the taxi driver stop at a vendor so I can buy her a bag of fried plantain. What is it?
Plantain?
Plantain.
Plantain.
The taxi, yeah.
Yeah.
That's what you asked me.
My dad's wife made
The plantain is like this.
a lot.
A fried plantain.
Yes. I ate so many last night.
That flower is ginger. The red
Right,
flower.
right. Oh, I have that ginger plant at my house. Ginger is very easy to grow.
A
Yeah.
ginger plant.
They just, you cut them down in the winter, they come back. But I live in a tropical, not paradise, tropical. Same one.
Tina, that's the leaf. That's the flower you talk about.
No.
This is a blue morphos.
This butterflies is so beautiful.
Yeah. So the reason Panama means abundance of fish, birds, and butterflies.
Hey, you guys.
Aboriginal language.
This is so cool.
I know, isn't it?
We gotta build one of these when we come down here. No, I'm serious.
I'm sorry. I forgot your name. Are you
Katie.
Katie or Katie?
Katie, with a K.
Okay, you see this butterfly? They're the blue one.
Yeah. Yeah,
Now,
he's
you know,
he's
when-
dying. You can
Oh,
tell
he
he's
is?
dying.
Oh.
He's already outlived his.
She wants to see the butterfly dying.
No, no.
Yeah, you don't want.
That's the way because they put
Hi.
more.
Yeah, he's on his way out. You can tell. Children. Oh, you guys are so gorgeous.
But everything we eat is seed in it, like tomato. When you open it,
Oh, wow.
papaya. With
That is amazing.
So we eat seed. Mostly, fruit is a seed of a tree.
Pumpkin color.
Don't you agree?
Yes, yes. Isn't it cool?
Okay, look at this one. How about this? Have energy or not energy?
Oh, he's beautiful. No, he's fine.
Is okay?
He's fine. That's young. You can tell because the colors are more vibrant. They almost have like a fuzz on their back when they first come out of the pupa.
This, to me, is one of the highlights right here.
Yeah.
It's awesome. Did you see the tiger one?